But man, look at this. Look at that. Very well contoured to the OEM. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing an MDM snorkel horn cover on the Renegade. Let's get right into it. Also, while I have you, go ahead, I don't ask this much, but go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me. That is greatly appreciated. That's going to allow this channel to grow. I've been getting tons of positive feedback. Everyone's saying, why don't you have more subscribers? That's because no one's smashing the subscribe button. Help me out. Let's go. All right, guys, went ahead and picked up this horn cover 2.0 from a Renegade from Motorsports.com, also known as MDM. This comes in a wide variety of colors for your CanAms: white, black, the yellow, which is the older CanAm, which is the darker yellow, that sunburst yellow, intense red, Gulfstream blue, manta green, liquid gold, hyper screen. And so what this is going to do is, if for anyone that's new to Renegades or has a Renegade, you know these things kick up mud everywhere, and you'll get mud basically stuck right on top of the stock OEM screen. You're basically blocking off the airflow to the machine. So what this is going to do is this is going to keep all your debris and dirt and mud out of your intake, while at the same time allowing airflow into the machine. Now, I will say this was packaged very well. Here are the instructions. This product is not intended to keep 100% water or debris out of your snorkels. So you see how it sits like that. There's two. And then you can see here is basically how the finished product is with a red one. All right, guys, this should be a simple install. Obviously, half the work is already done. Mud Nats already did half the work for me. So I believe this basically clicks in there like this. All right, guys, got the snap-on screwdriver. You see it, only the highest of tools used on Hangin with PA. It's just the way I am, guys. Snap-on right here. Look at that. Snap-on. It might not say snap-on, but you know it's snap-on, right? So there's a screw hole here and a screw hole here. So basically these two screw holes, it clips in like this, and then you put your washer and screw like this. So very simple install. Maybe one of you guys will subscribe watching this. Fits good. They supply you with the washer and the screw. I think this will hold it on a lot better than whatever was holding the OEM joint on. All right, guys, as you can see, obviously 2 screws to get this locked in. Very simple install. What, 10 seconds? I don't even know. But man, look at this. Look at that. Very well contoured to the OEM. I think I have a really good shot from the other way, how you can see how it flows. Man, I think they did a really good job on designing this. It's only 40 bucks. So basically what this is doing is down there, it's allowing the air to come in through down here and on the sides. See if I can get you the money shot. There's the money shot right there, boys. It's probably as best as I can get. So this, you ride a Renegade, you already know the mud is gonna hit right here and block your factory cover. So this, you can just swipe down, get that mud off, but the air is still coming up through this hole right here. So, and then of course, you have the vents on the side to allow some extra air in. But man, look how clean that is, man. You would think this came with the bike, guys. Nice done piece. I'm assuming that they 3D print these. I'm assuming that's what they do. Very cool. Look at that. Look how it even, look at that. Very nicely done piece, man. This isn't something that's thrown together for 40 bucks. I have no problem supporting a American-made company. If you ride a Renegade, you already know this gets covered with mud. You're constantly trying to clean it off. You don't want to put water in there because then the water is going to go in your snorkel. So I think this is a good way just to wipe. You'd be able to wipe this down, or if the mud even lands there, you can just leave it there because you're still going to have the airflow coming from under here. So we're going to wrap up this video, guys. That's just another day hanging out with your boy PA. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Peace.